There comes a time in many lives when the familiar rhythms of existence seem to lose their pulse, when the colors of the world fade to shades of gray, and the heart feels heavy with an unshakable sense of disconnection. This is the moment when one might feel spiritually lost, adrift in a vast ocean of uncertainty. Such a feeling can be disorienting, but it can also serve as a powerful catalyst for transformation and rediscovery. The journey back to a sense of purpose and connection is deeply personal, yet it often shares common threads that weave through the experience of many. Imagine a woman named Clara, who once thrived in the bustling city of her dreams. She was a vibrant artist, surrounded by canvases splashed with color, her heart beating in sync with the rhythm of the urban landscape. Yet, as the years rolled by, the demands of life began to overshadow her passion. The vibrant hues of her creativity dulled, and the city that once inspired her now felt like a cage. Clara found herself waking each day to a monotonous routine, her spirit yearning for something more, something deeper. It was in this state of spiritual disarray that she first recognized the need for change. The first step in Clara's journey was to acknowledge her feelings. She began to journal, pouring her thoughts onto the pages. Like a river of ink, each word was a release, a way to untangle the knots of confusion that bound her. In her writing, she explored the roots of her discontent, tracing back to moments when she felt most alive. She recalled the joy of painting under the golden glow of the setting sun, the thrill of sharing her work with others, and the laughter that echoed through her studio. Through this reflective practice, Clara began to understand that her disconnection stemmed not from a lack of talent or opportunity, but from a disconnection with her true self. With newfound clarity, Clara sought to reconnect with her passion for art. She decided to take a step back from the pressures of her career and dedicate time to her creative pursuits. She enrolled in a local art class where she met a diverse group of individuals, each with their own stories of seeking and finding. These new connections sparked something within her, a sense of community and shared experience that had long been absent from her life. They painted together, shared their struggles, and celebrated their victories, reminding Clara that she was not alone in her journey. As the weeks passed, Clara found herself immersed in the act of creation once more. She experimented with different mediums, allowing her intuition to guide her brush. The colors began to flow, vibrant and alive, as if they were echoing the awakening of her spirit. In these moments of artistic expression, she felt a profound connection to something greater than herself, a universal language that transcended words. Each stroke on the canvas became a conversation with her soul, a reminder that she was still capable of feeling deeply and passionately. Yet the journey of rediscovery is rarely linear. As Clara delved deeper into her creative practice, she encountered moments of doubt. The fear of judgment, of inadequacy, crept in like shadows at dusk. She questioned whether her art still held value, whether she could reclaim the identity she had let slip away. In these moments of vulnerability, Clara sought solace in nature. She would escape to the nearby park, where the whispering trees and the gentle rustle of leaves provided a sanctuary for her restless spirit. In the heart of the park, Clara discovered a small pond, its surface reflecting the sky like a mirror. She would sit by its edge, watching the ripples dance across the water, each one a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. It was here that she began to meditate, allowing her thoughts to settle like leaves falling from a tree. With each breath, she released the weight of her worries, inviting peace and clarity into her mind. Meditation became a sacred practice, a way to connect with her inner self and the world around her. Through meditation, Clara learned to embrace the ebb and flow of her emotions. She discovered that feeling lost was not a sign of failure, but a natural part of the human experience. It was an invitation to explore, to seek, and to grow. She began to view her moments of doubt as opportunities for learning, recognizing that they were simply stepping stones on her path. This shift in perspective allowed her to cultivate a sense of compassion for herself, a gentle reminder that it was okay to be imperfect. As her connection to herself deepened, Clara felt a pull towards something greater, a desire to give back, to share her gifts with others. Inspired by the sense of community she had found in her art class, she began volunteering at a local community center, teaching painting to children. In their laughter and enthusiasm, she rediscovered the joy of creation. The children's eyes sparkled with wonder as they mixed colors and created their own masterpieces. Clara realized that in sharing her passion, she was not only nurturing their creativity, but also reigniting her own sense of purpose. Through her work with the children, Clara learned invaluable lessons about resilience and imagination. She witnessed their boundless energy and their ability to see beauty in the simplest of things. They taught her to approach art with a sense of playfulness, to let go of the need for perfection, and to embrace the process of creation. Each class became a reminder that art was not just about the final product, but about the journey, the exploration, and the connections forged along the way. As the seasons changed, so did Clara. She began to explore other avenues of spiritual growth. She attended workshops on mindfulness, yoga, and holistic healing, each experience adding new layers to her understanding of herself and the world. She learned to listen to her body, to honor its wisdom, and to move through life with intention. Yoga became a practice of grounding, a way to connect her mind, body, and spirit. With each pose, she felt the energy within her awaken, flowing like a river through her being. In one transformative workshop, Clara encountered a group of individuals who shared their stories of spiritual awakening. They spoke of their struggles, their triumphs, and the moments that had led them to a greater understanding of their purpose. Their vulnerability resonated deeply with her, reminding her that everyone carries their own burdens, and that connection comes from sharing not just joy, but also pain. Clara realized that her journey was not just about finding her own path, but also about being part of a larger tapestry of human experience. With each passing day, Clara's sense of purpose crystallized. She began to see her art as a means of healing, not just for herself, but for others as well. She organized community art events, inviting people to come together and create, to share their stories through art. The events became a celebration of creativity, a space where individuals could express themselves freely and connect with others. Clara found fulfillment in witnessing the transformations that took place when people picked up a brush and allowed their emotions to flow onto the canvas. Through her work, Clara discovered that healing is not a solitary journey. It is a collective experience, woven together by the threads of shared humanity. She learned that when we open our hearts to others, we create a space for connection, understanding, and empathy. The more she shared her own struggles, the more she found that others were willing to share theirs in return. This reciprocity became a source of strength, a reminder that we are all in this together, navigating the complexities of life. As Clara continued to explore her spirituality, she found solace in the teachings of various philosophies and traditions. She delved into mindfulness practices rooted in Buddhism, the principles of gratitude found in ancient wisdom, and the transformative power of forgiveness. Each teaching resonated with her in different ways, offering insights and tools to navigate the challenges of life. She began to incorporate these practices into her daily routine, cultivating a sense of presence and gratitude for the simple joys that surrounded her. In her quest for connection, Clara also turned to the natural world. She took long walks in the woods, allowing the beauty of nature to fill her senses. The rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the gentle breeze became a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. She learned to appreciate the cycles of nature, the ebb and flow of seasons, the blooming of flowers, and the stillness of winter. Each moment spent in nature deepened her sense of belonging, reminding her that she was part of something much larger than herself. As time passed, Clara's journey of rediscovery continued to unfold. She embraced the uncertainty of life, recognizing that feeling lost was merely a chapter in her story, not the entirety of it. She learned to trust the process, to surrender to the flow of life, and to remain open to new experiences. Each day became an opportunity for growth, a chance to explore the depths of her creativity and the vastness of her spirit. Ultimately, Clara's journey led her to a profound realization that the quest for purpose is not a destination, but a lifelong journey. It is an exploration of self, a dance with the mysteries of existence, and a celebration of the connections we forge along the way. She learned that feeling spiritually lost can be a doorway to transformation, an invitation to delve deeper into the essence of who we are. Thank you for watching, and remember, friends, to always pray and seek God. Until next time, take care of yourself and others.